Good morning, Elementary Academy, Primary and Elementary Academy. It is yours truly, Mr. Burns, aka Step Master Burns. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying safe and healthy, and hopefully you are keeping up with your other studies as your teachers are putting together your work for you online. So today we got a pretty cool day set up for you. We're actually going to revisit the transition step. I'm actually going to show you how to move forward vertical and horizontal today. And also I'm going to add on a stationary step once you're done moving with the transition step. All right, so let's hop to it. All right, so keep in mind, just a reminder, you want to make sure you got on athletic clothes, tennis shoes, and also you want to make sure you have vital space where you can stretch out and use as much room as possible. Okay, so let's review that transition step that we went over last week. So the transition step, so this is the transition step. It's going to go step, that's the transition step in place. That's the transition step without moving. Watch me again. I'll face this way. Watch me again. Watch me again. Now, let's move with it. Okay, actually, no. Before we move with it, with me twice. With me twice. Here we go. I'm going to face you the first time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom. Okay, face this way now. With me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's move with it. Okay, now let's move with it. All right, here we go. We're gonna move back. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now, let's move forward with it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's move back again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Let's move forward with it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now that we've moved vertically, I'm going to show you how to do this step twice in a row now, okay? And everything starts on a double step, okay? What I mean by that is this. Double step, see? So when you step twice, after you step twice, you go right back into the beginning. See how that starts over with the double step? Left, right. One more time, left, right. All right. All right, now let's go back. And then we start over, and we're gonna go forward with it. it looks like this. Oh, sorry. All right. With Mr. Burns, okay? We're gonna go back, then we're gonna go forward. So when we start, we go back. When we start over, we come forward. Okay? Ready? I'm on my gray line. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, let's move. So we just did vertical. Let's move horizontally, which means left to right. Okay. Here we go. When we move left to right, we turn it. You can turn this step anytime you want. Whenever you decide to turn it, you can turn it. You can turn it on the first part. You can turn it on this part. See, you can turn it anytime you want to turn it. Okay? So I'll tell you what. We're going to turn it on this part. So when we hit the outside of our right foot, that's when we're going to turn it. Okay? Watch me. See that? And I turn to my right. Watch me again. See that? Watch me again. Watch me again. Try it with me. Turn to your right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. With me again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now, let's turn to the left on the same part. Okay, watch me. I'm gonna turn to the left on the same part. A little tricky, especially if you're right-handed. Turn to the left, could be a little tricky, but just go with it. Watch me. I'm gonna go slower. Watch me again. Try with me now. Let's turn to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step. All right. Now, you decide. First, no, take that back. I'm not gonna let you decide yet. We're gonna turn to the right first and finish the step. Okay? So it looks like this. Now you're gonna go step, watch me. Okay? Just turn it to the right. Let's try that. Watch me again. Oh, I forgot to turn to the right. Shame on Mr. Burns. Watch me again. Okay. You try with me now. Turn to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, 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 ah. Yes, 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 yes. Tell you what, let's go to the left. Left side now. Same thing. Left side. You can do it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, 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 ah. Yes. With me again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, 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 ah. Yes. Woo. Good job. All right. So, let's conclude this session of our steps, transition steps. You decide. You decide to go backwards and forward, or left and right. Okay? All right? I'm going to go horizontal. I like moving horizontal. Okay? So let's play with it. Okay? On my count. And we're going to do this. We're going to do this twice. Okay? We're going to do this twice. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah. Ah. One more time. Because it's a lot in here. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Transition step. All right, now here's what we're going to do now. I'm going to start teaching you another stationary step that you can do after you do the transition step. You can combine them. Combination. Okay? All right. So this step, I'm actually teaching middle school a little version of this one, a harder version of this step. I'm going to teach you a level 1 version of this step. Okay? So it's going to start with a wing on the right foot. So we're going to go step, ah, 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 ah. Watch me again. Step, step. And we're just going under the legs. No over, under, just under, under. Okay? Watch me again. Watch me again. Watch me again. With me now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna face this way to make sure that you are starting on the right foot. I'm gonna step with our right, under the left, then under the right. I'm gonna step with our right, under the left, then under the right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's move on. Now we're gonna add an over under. Okay? We just went under twice. That first under was under the left leg. Second under was under the right leg. Okay? Okay? So we're gonna go. Ooh. Watch me again. Watch me again. I'll face you. Watch me again. All right. With me now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just a do that one more time for good measure. Looking this way. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Let's face you now. Facing you now. Okay. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now, let's pause there. Okay. That's the first part of this step. But let's combine one of our transition steps. We're going to do the transition step one time. I want to show you how to go into that transition step into this stationary step that I'm teaching you. Okay? And it looks like this. Watch me. Groovy, huh? Watch me again. Okay, I'm gonna face this way. Okay, watch me again. See that? With me now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey. Yes. All right. We're gonna do one more thing before we conclude. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do our transition step twice. Okay. And I am going to pick the vertical track since I feel like that's easier. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do this step twice. How many times? Twice. I'm gonna start from this gray line. I'm gonna move up and I'm gonna end with my stationary step. It looks like this. With me. Here we go. We're on our vertical track and we're moving forward. We're going to do a transition step twice. After that, we're going to that stationary step. With me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, people. I'm gonna stop there. I don't want to go. No, I don't want to go past that. Practice that, master that, and I will see you next time. Until then, peace and God bless. Stay safe and be healthy. Peace.